Hi friends, it's time for some stitch fun. French knot fun. Today I thought to stitch a moon, an abstract moon, using only one stitch, the French knot. This is a great way to practice your French knot stitch in a fun and creative manner. The most important thing when stitching French knots is to use the right needles, and that would be the milliner's needles. Today I'll be using a milliner needle size 3 with all 6 strands of thread. Start by bringing your needle up where you want to place your knot. Wrap the thread around the needle twice, clockwise. Hold the thread to maintain the tension and insert the needle back in the same place you just came up. A few things to consider when stitching French knots would be, first, you don't have to wrap the thread around your needle more than 3 times. This will only make your French knots look looser and not really holding in time. If you wish to create bigger knots, just play around with the number of strands you're using. For example, you can use all 6 strands for bigger knots and less than that if you're looking for a more subtle knot. Another thing that many stitchers complain about is when you go back in the same hole, sometimes the knot might pull through your fabric. The trick for that is to insert the needle slightly in front of the thread. If you see how I stitch these French knots, I never insert the needle back in the same hole I came up, so it's always in front of the thread. Love them or hate them, but French knots sure look good. Here's a pattern I created and stitched almost entirely using the French knot stitch. It looks absolutely gorgeous. By the way, you can download this from makeandstitch.com. It's free. Go ahead, download it and start stitching straight away. Thank you for watching. Bye.